Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The average of any four consecutive odd integers is always odd, a proper fraction, a decimal number or even. So first of all we'll assume that let the four consecutive odd integers be 2n minus 3, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3. We can see these are odd number because 2n is always even, and if we subtract any odd number from even number it will give even odd number. So 2n minus 3 is a odd number, and the next number we can say is 2n minus 1, and the next consecutive number can be 2n plus 1, similarly 2n plus 3. So these are the four consecutive odd integers. Now we have to find the average of these numbers. So average we will find sum of four consecutive odd integers divided by the total number. So total number here is 4. Now let us find the average by substituting the values that we have assumed above. So after substituting all the consecutive odd integer, we will get the average as 8n divided by 4, which is equal to 2n. So 2n is always an even number, we can say. So 2n is even number. Now let's check the option. Even is option D. Hence we can say that the answer is option D.